Hi everyone, I'm back this week to show you how to make this delicious French toast breakfast burrito recipe. Now let's jump in and get started. Let's cut our red onions, our green onions, some jalapeno rings. I like to leave the seeds in to make it a little spicy, our garlic, and then potatoes that have already been cooked and cooled. Every breakfast burrito needs to have some applewood smoked bacon and some breakfast sausage, so we're just going to cook these and set them aside. So we're going to use the bacon fat that we had in our pan to cook our onions, our jalapenos, and our garlic. Once our onions start to turn golden brown, we want to add our potatoes and just let them sit for a minute. We're going to season with paprika, salt, and black pepper. Cook the potatoes until they start to get crispy and then set them aside. Now we need to crack our eggs into a bowl and then mix them together so we can make our scrambled eggs. In our non-stick pan on medium-low heat with a tablespoon of butter, we're going to mix everything and then add our eggs. We want our eggs to be light and fluffy when we're eating our breakfast burrito, so when we cook our eggs, we're looking for a medium scramble. The eggs should be runny, but don't worry, they'll carry over cook the rest of the way. This is the consistency that you're looking for. I just let it sit in the pan off the heat for a minute or two and it'll finish cooking. And the cheese I'm using for my breakfast burrito is a smoked Gouda. It's just something I had sitting around. I really like the flavor of it, so we're going to use this. Now we just need to assemble our breakfast burrito with our cheese, our bacon, breakfast sausage. This one's a little big, so we're going to cut it in half. Add on our eggs. Then our breakfast potatoes. And then just roll it up. One important step to this is making sure that we're sealing the burrito, so I always cook the cut side down first, and then I roll everything around and cook it on each side. This is going to make sure that the eggs and everything are fully cooked on the inside, cheese is melted, and it's ready to go. And now let's make our French toast batter with some eggs, some heavy cream, sugar, a pinch of salt, and some cinnamon. The best thing I've found for dipping the burrito is this bread pan. If you don't have this, then just try to find a deep, narrow pan. I let the burrito sit in the egg batter for a few minutes, and I just make sure that I'm mixing it around every 30 seconds or so everything gets evenly coated and the tortilla absorbs some of the egg. In a non-stick pan on medium-low heat with some butter, we can add our burrito. We want to make sure that we cook the burrito on all the sides and the egg batter is fully cooked all the way around. We're going to spice our maple syrup up by adding some truffle hot sauce to it. This will be a nice balance of sweet and spicy for our breakfast burrito. Thanks for watching my video on how to make this French toast breakfast burrito recipe. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite breakfast food is. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.